You've booked your flight. You packed light. You even made it to the airport early thinking, I've got this. But then suddenly at the gate, your bag, the one you thought was safe, is yanked away with no warning, no apology. You're told the overhead bins are full, so your carry-on is now heading to the cargo hold. And just like that, your laptop, medicine, or even your passport is out of your hands. No protection, no guarantees. This isn't a random fluke. This is the reality of flying in 2025. The system is designed this way, and if you don't know how to work it, you're the one who gets burned. That's where I come in. I'm going to break down the 11 biggest carry-on mistakes travelers make every single day. Mistakes most people think they are avoiding, but they're not. And more importantly, I'll show you how to sidestep every single one like a pro. Stick with me until the very end, because mistake number one is something even the most seasoned travelers mess up, and it can throw your entire trip off course. Don't learn the hard way. Learn now. Let's go. Mistake number 11, wearing the wrong clothes to the airport. Let's start with something people don't even think about, your outfit. Most travelers dress for fashion, for comfort, or simply for convenience. But here's the truth. Your clothes can make or break your airport experience. Those stylish lace-up boots, you'll be hunched over, untying them, while everyone behind you sighs loudly. That belt with the chunky buckle, it's going to beep in the scanner, which means you'll be peeling it off under pressure. That oversized hoodie, it can flag you for extra screening. Even jewelry, metal earrings, hair clips, chunky watches can stall you at security. And if you're unlucky, the stress might make you miss your boarding group, or worse, your flight. So here's what the pros do. Dress simple. Go for slip-on shoes. Skip the belt. Toss jewelry in your bag instead of on your body. And always, always wear socks. Trust me, you do not want to be the person barefoot on those grimy airport floors. The right outfit isn't about looking fancy. It's about moving through security like water. Fast, smooth, and stress-free. Mistake number 10, packing too much into your carry-on. Here's the trap. You think you're saving money and time by avoiding checked bags, so you cram everything you own into one carry-on. Sounds smart, right? Wrong. When your bag is overstuffed, you slow yourself down in every way. Lifting it into the overhead bin? Good luck if you're short or your arms are tired. Wrestling with it at security? Stressful. And if you're struggling too long, flight attendants might just gate check it. And suddenly, your carefully packed carry-on is gone. Not only that, overstuffed bags burst open, get damaged, or make you look like a rookie traveler fumbling around. Here's the fix. Pack strategically. Lay everything out, then cut it in half. Use compression packing cubes, roll your clothes, and pick mix and match outfits. Essentials like ID, chargers, and snacks should go in easy access pockets so you're not unpacking your whole life in front of TSA. A lighter bag doesn't just save your back. It keeps you moving with confidence. Mistake number 9, bringing the wrong personal item. Most airlines let you bring a carry-on plus a personal item. But here's where people slip up. They either go too small or too big. Too small, and you're basically carrying a handbag that fits nothing useful. Too big, and the airline staff will make you check it, often with a fee attached. The sweet spot? A slim, structured backpack. It fits neatly under the seat, but still holds the essentials. Laptop, snacks, chargers, documents, even a backup outfit. Some travel backpacks even open like mini suitcases, giving you all the space you need without breaking the rules. Before you fly, check your airline's personal item dimensions and stick to them. And make sure the bag is comfortable, because it's the one that stays glued to you for the entire journey. Mistake number 8, forgetting to weigh your carry-on. Here's one most travelers don't even realize until it's too late. Airlines are cracking down harder than ever on carry-on weight. Even if your bag is the right size, if it's too heavy, you're in trouble. At check-in or at the gate, you might be asked to weigh it. If it's over, you're either paying up or checking it in. And let me tell you, gate check fees sting more than anything you paid online. Solution? Buy a cheap digital luggage scale and weigh your bag at home. If you're close to the limit, shift heavy items to your personal bag, or wear heavier gear like jackets on the plane. Weighing ahead of time means you're in control, not the airline. Mistake number 7, forgetting TSA rules for liquids and electronics. It's 2025, and yes, the liquid rule still applies. Ignore it, and your expensive face cream or favorite shampoo goes straight into the trash. Remember the 3-1-1 rule. Bottles no larger than 3.4 ounces, all in a single quart-size clear bag, one bag per person. And don't forget the sneaky items people lose all the time. Peanut butter jam, sauces. Yes, they count. Electronics are another stumbling block. If you don't pull out your laptop when asked, your whole bag can get flagged for extra screening. That's delays, stress, and frustration you don't need. The fix is easy. Keep your liquids bag and laptop at the very top of your carry-on for quick access. When TSA says laptop's out, you're ready to move like a pro. Mistake number 6, stashing valuables in the seat pocket. That seat pocket in front of you. Looks handy, doesn't it? The perfect place to slide in your laptop, phones, or passport. Wrong. First, it's dirty, like tissues and crumbs from 3 flights ago. Dirty. Second, it's flimsy. If the seat reclines, your laptop screen could crack. And third, it's the #1 spot travelers forget their valuables in. The smart move? Keep valuables in your personal bag under the seat. When you need your laptop, take it out. When you're done, put it back. Chargers, headphones, and snacks go in zip pockets so they don't vanish. Treat the seat pocket like what it is, a trash bin, not a safe. Mistake number 5, traveling without backup chargers and power banks. Here's a modern mistake that ruins more trips than you'd expect. In today's world, your phone is your boarding pass, your entertainment, your map, your lifeline. Run out of battery mid-flight or during a connection, and suddenly you're stranded. Yes, some planes have outlets. Yes, airports have charging stations. But guess what? They're often broken, full, or impossible to access. The solution? Carry a slim, reliable power bank in your personal item. Better yet, pack 2, one for your phone, one for your laptop or tablet. And don't forget your charging cables. A power bank without the right cable is just dead weight. Running out of juice in 2025 isn't just inconvenient. It can actually derail your trip. Stay charged, stay in control. Mistake number 4, choosing the wrong shoes. Shoes might seem like a small detail, but in airports, they're everything. Heavy boots? You'll be untying and retightening them at security. Flip-flops? You'll be walking barefoot through the dirtiest floors you can imagine. The smart choice, slip-on sneakers or lightweight runners. They come off in seconds at security. They protect your feet during emergencies, and they're comfortable enough for those surprise gate change sprints. Bonus tip, wear socks. Barefoot in airport bathrooms? Just no. Mistake number 3, using cheap or overstuffed packing cubes. Packing cubes are brilliant when used correctly, but cheap ones that don't compress or overstuffing them until they're bulging? That's a rookie move. Overfilled cubes take up more space, not less. And when TSA opens your bag, suddenly everything is spilling everywhere. Invest in quality compression packing cubes with double zippers. Use smart folding methods like the Ranger roll, and don't try to cram your entire closet in one cube. Proper cubes can double your space. Bad ones waste it. Mistake number 2, putting essentials in checked or gate-checked bags. Here's the nightmare scenario. You get to the gate, bins are full, and suddenly your carry-on gets taken away. Sounds fine until you realize your medicine, laptop, or passport is inside. Never, repeat, never, put essentials in a bag that could leave your side. Your personal item under the seat is your safety net. That's where you keep ID, money, phone, chargers, meds, and one clean shirt. Once a bag goes under the plane, it's gone until landing. Keep your lifelines close. Mistake number 1, rushing without a plan. This is the most common mistake of all. Travelers throw clothes into a bag last minute, race to the airport, and hope for the best. And then everything unravels. Missed items, chaotic security, late boarding. stress through the roof. Smart travelers plan. They pack the night before, check boarding passes and gate info, and make a simple list. They know which bag holds what, and they give themselves extra time for traffic and lines. Being calm, ready, and in control makes the airport experience 10 times easier. Don't wing it, plan it. So there you have it. 11 carry-on mistakes everyone thinks they're avoiding, but still make. The truth is, travel isn't just about the destination. It's about mastering the journey. And when you know how to avoid these mistakes, you stop being the frazzled rookie and start flying like a pro. If this video helped you travel smarter, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to BoardiFly, and share this with that friend who always overpacks. Because the next time you fly, I want you walking through that airport calm, confident, and one step ahead. See you on your next flight.